Boom. All right, y'all. I just got back from work. And if you're new here, the drill is we are going to create a mock funded account and we're going to trade using a market maker model. And we're going to make 6% on this account, which would pass the account. 6% on a 50K is $3,000 without losing 5%, which is $2,500. And I'm going to be trading NAS 100 and US 30. And that's it. That's my whole MO. I trade the next day model using time and the market maker model as my entries. And I've been improving every single video, which is actually kind of impressive. Guys, document your journey. It'll help. It's helping me, and I really am confident for when I buy an actual funded Monday. And I think I'm also going to be posting my live executions along with my back testing every day. Just so that I can just really, I'm gonna get filthy off of this. Watch, I'm going to get filthy off of this, and you guys are gonna watch, and you guys are gonna get inspired by it. So what I do is I come here, pick a random date generator. You know what I'm saying? Whoop whoop. Let's actually do something more recent. 24. So 5/27/24. Yo, sorry guys, I was watching content. Watching content, man. Oh man. 5/24, right? I think it's 5/24. 24, right? 5/24? 5/27. And we're just gonna extend it out a couple months, which is today. Alright. We're gonna see if I can pass if I would have bought a challenge in May. Hopefully this isn't gonna take too long. I don't believe it will. We're just going to be trading, using the knowledge that we know, doing what we gotta do to be the best traders possible. Yeah, really just hoping for the best. All right, so I instantly fast forward to 8:30. I see that instead we closed above, so I can expect them to draw higher. We didn't even reach, but it's still green, so I can expect a higher draw as well. So I would draw here, and then I would draw here. So then I'll scale down to the 1 hour, and I'll look to see if we have any 1 hour PD arrays, and we do have a 1 hour inversion, which you can see is getting inversed. Then I'll scale down to the 15 minute to see if we have anything. We do not, so it's looking pretty bare right now, but we're already pushing up off of this. So I'm just clicking through, waiting to see if something forms, probably at the 9:30, and boom, 9:30 opens up and it does form something. Not anything I could have gotten in on unless we push down. This could probably be a position. I can easily see us using this to come up off and continue upwards. I'll place my position if we come all the way back down, honestly. And I'll have my stops at that low, aiming for the high, and honestly I can aim for the next day as well. I don't think it'll come back down, but if it does, that means I'll pass in one trade. Alright, we got tagged in. How much did I risk? 1%. So if I get to $500, alright, stops at break even. Now we just see what happens. Alright, first TP hit. Alright, we're pushing up real heavy. Oof. It's looking kind of tough. Why did we stop already? Hold on. 1240 is kind of crazy. We still have hope. Maybe it doesn't come all the way back down. You never know. Alright, we're pushing way back up. Let's see. This would be pretty crazy if I passed in one trade, but it just goes to show that, with a good strategy, anything is possible. Oh my god, we're pushing up pushing up heavy. I would bring my stop down here. So now if it gets past this point, I'll just close because this is definitely where I'd have my stop. Oh my God. Nope, still not there yet. It's dancing. I gotta close it out. Even though I don't want to, I would definitely have my stop right here. All right, let's see if it, oh, this is the next day anyway. Dang, as you guys see, it is a pretty crazy trade. So we closed above, so I would expect it to sweep this. I still expect us to see this high, so I'm gonna get in on whatever. As y'all can see, I was up a lot. I was up a freaking lot. I honestly think if I held, I would have been able to take to the high. But I wanted to be fair, and I definitely would have taken profit or had a stop loss here. And you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna try to cheat. I'm not going to cheat, but I definitely think that was gonna get respected. We have this culmination of stuff. I think this is actually a 30-minute fair value gap. It's respecting, which means we get on the 1 minute. 1 minute's very I don't like it because it doesn't. I don't know how to explain it. It's very wishy-washy for me. This is definitely the original consolidation. Take it. Is anything form? We got some little, bro. We got this. I mean, it's definitely an entry. Definitely gonna give my trade a little bit of space though. And let's see if they're gonna use this to push all the way up here. If they do, fire. If they don't, then we're down. I actually don't want to risk the full amount. I actually want to risk half. Yeah, I'm gonna risk half because like I don't really trust 1 minute setups as much, bro. This is definitely where it would tap. Nah, I'm not gonna force it. Alright, if we get to 250, stops at break even. Break even. Let's see. Alright, it's swept, so yeah, so this is actually supposed to be the TV because that was where the original consolidation was. The reason why I didn't take profit was pretty simple. I didn't take profit because I just can see us going higher. So let's look on the 1 hour to see if there's any 1 hour things that we can use as inverse or something. Nah, nothing. We're in bare butt nowhere, but we do have this. This is actually experimental for me. I don't use these a lot, but if we do tap into it, I can maybe see. We're respecting. All right. Okay. That looks really good. I won't lie. And damn, shit dropped. All right. So for whatever reason, it looks like we're dropping. So I was wrong, and we weren't gonna come and take the high. So should I have just taken profit? Maybe, but you know. It is what it is. What's the daily? Let's say we swept, now we pushing down. Pushing down into what? I have no clue. I still am bullish. We might be sweeping this. Ooh, I see what we're doing. I see. I am aware of the game now. I don't buy it. But either way, my entry, if it really was trying to push up off of nothing, my entry should have been down here. Original consolidation was up here. So yeah, that was the lowest buy. So this really may as well, if this wins at least, then yeah, then I'd miss out on a 1 to 5. So let's see. All right, definitely broke even by now. Let's see. Nope, would have got stopped that. So this is a no trade day for me. Alright, so going to the daily again, you know the drill. At the daily, I see that we swept the high, closed inside, so I know that we're probably aiming for this low right here. We swept the low, so I know that we should be bullish. We should be bullish, and yeah, this is all just like looking real beautiful for me. Oh, not what I would have expected. We're continuing downward. This candle's looking nice, and we created a fair value gap. So where's OG consolidation? We have this. We have a lot of consolidation zones. So honestly, I'm gonna take the top one. We're gonna see. This seems a little far from the 0.25 zone. This whole thing is looking kinda, did we close out? Yeah, we closed out. This is inverse now. I can't trust it. If anything, okay, I'll take the trade. But this is extremely low probability. And I may just be forcing it, but I'm only gonna risk 0.5%. Risk half of what I would usually risk just because it's not a smart trade. Alright. Okay. Definitely can break even now. Alright. It's not looking like we're having a lot of buying pressure to the upside. Definitely some kind of news. Well, that did not touch me. Well, dang. I want you guys to see though, I'm consistently getting like near 1 to 3s and stuff. So if I just up my risk and were to like take a lower risk reward, I would definitely be passed already. This is my fault. I just really thought we were gonna come for this high, but it looks like maybe we're not. So we closed below. So I'm expecting a continuation down. We get this, and if we're really trying to break structure, we come for that. I'm still kind of bullish, but not really anymore. Okay, now that we swept, we came back in to fill this gap thing. Definitely a lot of potential to turn around. Alright, it's looking like we're turning around, so I'm gonna draw out the original consolidation. 0.25 level is lining up. Not seeing anything. Oh my god. Alright, well, this is the trade idea. If we're really headed down, this is the trade idea. That is a lot of selling pressure. Alright, let's see. No. Did it leave me? That trade left me. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. I should have gotten in just and that's gonna happen. Sometimes I'm gonna miss trade ideas. It wouldn't be smart to hold. I should not hold. I'm gonna hold. Damn, guys. Well, this trade would have won. I entered way too late though. I was expecting it to come down, but trade would have won for sure. It's okay. I'm just happy that I'm at the point where I can plot these consistently. Like I've been plotting some great trades. Just ain't been going through with the dubs lately. All right, so we closed below this, so I would expect this to get swept. That got swept, so now. Honestly, I can expect this to get like, a pushback up, but I am not sure anymore. We have this, so if we respect this, then I'll just continue pushing down. But like, That's all I can really do right now. Alright, looks like we're respecting. Okay, alright. So looks like we're respecting, so man, it sucks. And that really stinks. Not getting tagged in. That fucking stinks. All I'm thinking about is how, like, bro, this shit would already be over with. This shit would genuinely be over with right now. Alright, let's see. Found out risk. Tagged in. Oh yeah, definitely one hit. Alright, let's see. Boom, 1 to 3.67. Very easy trade, very easy trade. We only have about $400 left before we pass this challenge. This shit has been, and I could have held. We're not gonna talk about it though. Damn, that shit fell. We swept all that and pushed up, so I can expect us to sweep high. We already did. So honestly, but I mean, this looks like a gap, a big ass gap. So I can expect us to continue up. Only if we respect, you know, fair value gap. We have this inverse here. Boom. We have this inverse. So that looks like a pretty respectful. Oh yeah, that looks respectful as that. Now this is one of those that's kind of more extremely iffy because, like, there's nothing in looking left. This is not a market maker model. This would more be pure instinct. There's this high, which is a clear target. I could aim for that. I could aim for that. Or I could lose. Don't suck. Is it at least 2? That shit's not. This is not like a quality trade. Honestly. Where's 0.5? This shit might get me over the hump. Yeah, this shit will literally pass me. Let's see. Alright. Stops at break even. And just like that, we pass. That's kind of crazy. This is kind of crazy, guys. This shit getting kind of easy. Yeah, this shit getting kind of easy. Let's check out the analytics. 100% win rate. That's kind of insane. Average risk reward 2 to 2.5 or 1 to 2.25. Best win 3.27. Average win 2%. Damn. How long did it take me to get past? It took a couple days because, like, I was missing a lot. This is kind of crazy. So it took me 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days to get funded, not over risking, trading normally, 6% in a month, 100% win rate. Like, yeah, shit, this is kind of crazy. Yeah, 0 losses, bro. Like, if you go back to my other videos, this shit took way longer. But all right, let me know what's up. And mind you, I also had a lot of break-even trades that, like, I didn't get tagged in. Like, this is. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow.